Pune, a city of contrasts, the buzzing heart of innovation where technology and tradition coexist, and where every street tells a story. But beyond the hustle lies a place where serenity thrives. Real Bhavdan. It's not just a place, it's an experience. And yet, you're close to what matters. Bhavdan blends nature with convenience just minutes away from work, top schools, and the best attractions. At the heart of real Bhavdan lies 64 hills, designed to offer the finest in modern living. Surrounded by nature's beauty, spacious 3, 4, and 5 BHK apartments, where every room is designed to elevate your lifestyle. It brings you more than just a home, a gym that empowers your fitness journey, a top terrace garden for quiet moments, a kids' play area filled with joy, even EV charging points for sustainable future. Built by Manisha Constructions, one of Pune's oldest and most trusted developers. A name that stands true to quality, customer satisfaction, and a commitment to delivering on promises. An invitation to elevate your life. Visit us today to discover more.